Hello, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to the day 28th of our 60-day trading challenge. And today was a relatively very smooth day in the sense the decay of the premium was very smooth and the market was was bullish. But if I look at the intraday perspective, after the bullish move, it remained kind of a sideways. But however, since the VIX was in our favor, VIX was actually gradually falling, and we'll just look at the chart also. So then you will understand the importance of the VIX in whenever we are doing the option selling perspective. And all in all, it was a very smooth day. Not much of a excitement or learning per se. Nothing much to highlight it. However, it is worth going through the entire analysis. So let me share the screen. So in the morning at 9:30 itself, we got the trade trigger at 9:30 on the closure of the first 15 minutes thing. So at 9:31, we sold the 24,200 put as you see, and we sold this is the current week put which we sold. And we sold it at 61 rupees 65 paise. And at the end of the day, we had to close the trade because of the day. It's an intraday trade. So at 3:15, almost at 3:15, we closed it at 43 rupee 80 paise. If I show you the put premium chart, so this is the entry point where we sold it at 60 to 61.65 for a while. For this is a 5 minutes chart, so you see that about for 5 minutes or so it shooted up, and it was as if looking like it was going to hit our initial stop loss. But after that, it's except that the small spike, it started falling, and then for the rest of the entire day, it was a smooth decay. As you see, like there was no threat at any point of time, and then this if somebody asks, did it hit the stop loss here? No, this trailing stop loss only gets triggered after the 130 candle. 130 candle is somewhere here. This is the 130 candle. So this is not relevant at 130. So we start moving the stop loss post 130, as you know. So we were, so yeah, in short, it neither hit our stop loss nor our trailing stop loss. This is the candle. Although towards the end of the day, before we exited, it started going against our trade for to some extent. But this is the point where we exited, and after that also it decayed. But again, these three candles are not relevant for us because this is the candle where we exited. So if you look at the Nifty chart, it opened up a gap up, as you see clearly the thing, and then it started going up also. It went up for a while, and then it came down. And then if you look at the day end, it is more like after the gap up, after the bullish definite move, it remained kind of a range bound market. So if I show you the India VIX chart, this is the India VIX chart. This is like you can look at it here. This is the place at which we sold at 9:30. So that was a peak point, and that is a favorable for the option seller. When the VIX is high, and if it starts falling after that, it is going to favor the option seller. And this is exactly happened. Although the market remained more or less the sideways after we entered, it still helped us to collect decay. We could see the clear decay of the premium, and that is how we were able to end the day in reasonably as a profitable day. So this is the journal. So 24,200 put we sold at 9:30 a.m. and then at 61.55, and we covered it at 43 rupee 80 paise. We incurred a trading cost of 55 rupees 60 paise, which means we got around 1,275 rupees is our net profit. And our confidence level obviously was a bit high because the data points were showing the positive or a bullish trend for the day. And more about it as usual in the journal, which is shared along with the video. And then at the end of the 28 days, our P&L now stands at 11.47%. As you see, our equity curve is is in a very nice and smoothly it is going up. So all in all, it was I would say, non-event today, and then it helped us to make a reasonable profit for the day. And that's it for now. Thank you so much for your support and time. So see you tomorrow for the 29th day of our this trading challenge. Bye bye and take care.